Hello guys, this is my first video on YouTube, and I just really want to show you guys where I ride every day with my bike, which I have it right here, with my bike and with my dirt bike, a KX85, and my brother got a YZ85. But the whole purpose of this video is what I just said. I just want to show you guys where I ride, and please give thumbs up to this video, subscription down below, comment if you want. You already know how this is going, baby. Let's go. Here you go. Oh, right now it would have been more fun if I had my dirt bike right now, but my brother has it, so I cannot do it. But I'm just gonna show you guys where I be riding. This is where I'm going. This is where I be going. This is my trail right here. This is my trail. This is where I be riding sometimes. I keep going. That's me donuts. I keep riding, guys. I keep going. Go through here. Come back through here. And then go through this other trail right here. This is my favorite trail on here. You ready? So we actually go through here, keep going, go through here. And my dirt bike, I jump through here. Keep going, you see? Oops, bump. Oh my God. Now I need to take my bike out. I look so crazy pushing the bike. But yeah, I came back over here. But where I do really sometimes is right here, guys. Right here, I'll show you. Right here, guys. Right over here. Right over here. This is the place where I practice my wheelies with my brother. You could tell because we already ripped everything riding around here. You could tell. But this is where we riding. It's big, you want to see? It's very big. Very big field. But there's a lot of crickets though. But yeah, this is where I practice my wheelie around here. You can even tell, look at this. Look at this big whip around here. I bet you this is my brother's. He did this, I think. Yeah, he obviously did this. This one, that was me. I just know it was me because I didn't even know, to be honest. But I just know it's mine. I did this. You want to know why? Because I got a fatter wheel. I got maxis on my dirt bike, and they're more fatter than my brother's. And you could tell from the wire around here. See, it's about 180 degrees. I think. I don't even know, to be honest. Yeah, like straight line, 180 degrees. Yep. Yeah. So it was. Yeah, this was mine. This was me. But yeah, guys. This is where I be riding sometimes. If you guys don't know me, this is where I be riding. And yeah, like I said, give thumbs up to this video, like and share. I mean, not share. I just said share because I be doing vlogs on Facebook and Instagram. But yeah, please give thumbs up, subscribe, like this video, and comment below if you want to see more. And then I'll really show you. I'll show you me and my brother riding our dirt bikes and riding in the field. This big field. Come on, guys. I know you could do it. If we get at least to, starting today, if we get at least to, I'll say 10,000 views, I'll put my other next video.